Let that relax. Good. Good. Hey, I'm Dr. David Crozy, and here today, Brittney has volunteered to have her adjustment filmed, and so we've been working on improving the function of Brittney's low back and neck regions, just having her feel good all the time. She does a lot of yoga, but we found on our exam that there were still some spots that were stiffened up and stuck, and so trying to have those spots move consistently. Some tightness right here. Let's have you let your breath out, and I'll give a push. Good. Really great adjustment. World-class relaxation. I appreciate that. Let that relax. Good. Really good. Okay, gonna do this little tug on the legs here. Just try to let that relax. Good. Let it relax.